Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hey kids, are you ready to learn the new lesson? Yes. So it's time to learn. Today we are going to learn a new sound, the consonant digraph. S, h, sh. S, h make sh sound. Sh as in ship. Sh as in fish. Fish. Let's learn some words. Sh, sh, I, p, ship.
Ship.
Sh, a, p, shop.
Shop.
Sh, a, d, shed.
The shed.
Sh, r, t, shirt.
T-shirt.
Sh, r, t, short.
T-shirt.
Sh, r, k, shark.
Shark.
Sh, r, p, sharp.
Sharp.
Sh, e, p, sheep.
Sheep.
Sh, e, t, sheet.
Sheet.
Sh, shell.
Shell.
Sh, shrimp. Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Sh, shoot.
Shoot.
Sh, shrug. Shrug.
Shrug.
Sh, shrub. Shrub.
Shrub.
Sh, shred.
The shred.
Fish.
Fish.
Dish.
The dish.
Wish.
Swish.
Bash.
Bash.
Mash.
Smash.
Cash.
Cash.
Dash.
The dash.
Rash.
Trash.
a, smash, smash.
Smash.
A, flash, flash.
Flash.
Flash, flash.
Flash.
Crash, crash.
Crash.
A, rush.
Rush.
Crash, crash.
Crash.
Let's learn to read some sentences. The book is on the shelf.
The book is on the shelf.
Pam got a plum in the dish.
Pam got a plum in the dish.
The ship is on the dock.
The ship is on the dock.
The car crashed into the shrub. The car crashed into the shrub. Tim has a shell in the shop. Tim has a shell in the shop. If you want to learn more, must subscribe the channel. Till the next video. Goodbye.